Prove that the line L, x minus 3y equals 10, is a tangent to the circle C, x squared plus y squared is equal to 10. So since we are asked to prove something, we know that it is definitely true. So our answer should be that the line is a tangent to the circle. So what is a tangent? A tangent is a line that touches a circle at only one point. So if we have a circle and we have a point on that circle, then this would be the tangent that touches this circle at only one point. So if we were to solve these two equations simultaneously, we should end up with one x value and one y value, because there is only one point at which they intersect. So step one is we're going to rearrange our linear equation so that we have either the x or the y on its own. So it's easier in this case to get the x on its own because the x has no number stuck in front. So we're going to grab hold of the minus 3y. We're going to bring it over the equal sign, and it becomes plus 3y. So x is equal to 3y plus 10. Now we're going to substitute 3y plus 10 in place of the x in our circle equation. So we're going to swap that x for 3y plus 10 with brackets around it and make sure to add in the squared. So step 2, now take the equation of the circle and substitute 3y plus 10 for x. So we always substitute the linear equation into the circle equation. We always put the simpler equation that contains no squareds into the circle equation, which always has squareds. So our equation for the circle is x squared plus y is equal to 10. So we swap the x for 3y plus 10 because we got x equal to 3y plus 10. And we must have brackets around it. Then we need to work out 3y plus 10 squared. So 3y plus 10 squared is the same thing as 3y plus 10 multiplied by 3y plus 10. So we bring down the 3y, we stick on the 3y plus 10, we bring down the plus 10, and we stick on the 3y plus 10. So 3y by 3y is 9y squared, 3y by plus 10 is 30y, 10 by 3y is 30y, 10 by 10 is 100. Now we need to simplify. So bring down the 9y squared, 30y plus 30y is plus 60y, and bring down 100. So 3y plus 10 squared gives us 9y squared plus 60y plus 100. So 9y squared plus 60y plus 100. So this gives us this. We bring down the plus y squared, we bring down the equals, and we bring down the 10. So next we're going to bring the 10 over the equal sign. So next we want to simplify. So 9y squared plus y squared give us 10y squared. We bring down the plus 60y. And then we're going to bring the 10 over the equal sign. It's going to become minus 10. And 100 minus 10 is 90. So we brought the 10 over the equal sign. It became minus 10. And 100 minus 10 is 90. So we have 10y squared plus 60y plus 90 is equal to 0. We're going to simplify by dividing across by 10, because 10 will divide into each of these. 10y squared divided by 10 is y squared. 60y divided by 10 is plus 6y. 90 divided by 10 is plus 9. So get y squared plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. Next we're going to factorize by bringing down a y into the front of each bracket. We need factors of 9. That will end up giving us 6, so we're going to go with 3 and 3. Because 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So we let what's inside the brackets equal to 0, so y plus 3 is equal to 0. So y is going to be equal to minus 3. If we didn't want to factorize here, we could have solved by using the quadratic formula, also known as the minus b formula, by letting a equal to 1, because that's really 1y squared, b equal to 6, and c equal to 9. So we were asked to prove that the line L is a tangent to the circle C. So what we had to do was find their points of intersection. But in order for this line to be a tangent to this circle, there must be only one point of intersection. And that one point of intersection needs to have one x value and one y value. So we have found the one y value. Now we need to find the x value. So step 3, now find the corresponding x value using the equation from step 1. So we had x equals 3y plus 10. And we've already found that y is equal to minus 3. So we're going to swap that y for minus 3 with brackets around it. 3 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 9. And minus 9 plus 10 is 1. So the corresponding value of x is 1. Therefore, there is only one point of intersection, which is 1 comma minus 3. So 1 being the x value, minus 3 being the y value. So we have a look at our graph. Here's our circle, which is x squared plus y squared equals 10. And this is our line, which is x minus 3y is equal to 10. And the point 1 minus 3 is down here. And we can clearly see that it is the one and only point of intersection. Hence, we can conclude that the line is a tangent to the circle. So a tangent is a line that touches a circle at one point only.